The notion of cybersecurity it's not new. It's been around for the last 2-3 decades, and lots of great companies like Cisco, McAfee, Symantec have made significant investments, built significant technology to address the challenges with cybersecurity. It started with somebody dropping a virus on your desktop and disrupting your operation or corrupting your laptop or desktop. I think that's where the notion of cybersecurity starts, and unfortunately it ends, because a lot of people think that the cybersecurity is all about protecting the boundaries, protecting the perimeters, networks, firewalls, hypervisors, etc. The real challenge and opportunity that we saw, or I would say the white space that we saw, was it's not what hackers can do to hack into your environment, it's what they will do once they get into your environment. And I think that is where we believe Greenlight has a great opportunity to add value to customers, because it's the unfortunate truth that of the 100 million attempts made on a given company's firewall over a year, a few thousand are going to succeed and are going to come in spite of how many layers of technologies they have built to guard that. So now the question becomes, when these people come in, how do you make sure they don't get into critical business processes, interrupt your operations, or bring down your databases, or worse yet, stop your applications from performing, or take over or take control of your applications. And I think that's where we have a huge value add, because that has been our core competency, monitoring insider threat and providing the associated metrics and alerts to the right business users is always our forte. So we thought that this is a unique chance to show the customers that once somebody breaks a firewall and gets in, how do we show them what they are doing with it, or are they doing anything with it? And that's exactly where we're adding value.